Hey Richa, can you tell me about murmurs?
Okay.
Tell me about early diastolic murmur.
Mnemonic is gap. Okay. G for gram steel murmur, A for aortic regurgitation, P for pulmonary regurgitation.
And mid diastolic murmur?
Mid diastolic murmur mnemonic is MAC. Mitral stenosis, Austin Flint murmur, and Carey-Coombs murmur.
Ejection systolic?
Ejection systolic, AP. Aortic stenosis, pulmonary stenosis.
And late systolic murmur?
Late systolic murmur is mitral valve prolapse.
Pansystolic murmur?
Pansystolic murmur mnemonic, MTV. Mitral regurgitation, tricuspid regurgitation, and ventricular septal defect.
And continuous murmur?
Continuous murmur or machinery murmur is truncus arteriosus. C for coarctation of aorta.